Hey, it's me, Sarah. I'm back to share a journal with you guys. This is a uh, little golden book that I altered for my niece. My brother had him and his wife just had a baby here about a month ago, and my mom's getting ready to go out and see him. So I wanted to get this film so I can send it off to her so she can take it. I just put some really pretty fabric on the spine and put lots of buttons. If I would have had time, I would have replaced these bigger ones, but oh well, they look okay. And then I put a little daisy applique right here to cover up like a little sticker. And then here I used lace as a closure. And then I put some daisies right here above this little golden book belongs to. Now, I followed the tutorial or the little um, uh, short that what's her name? Rock paper treasures or yeah, can't ever remember her name, but she always sews on the front of the paper, so I did that, and I really like it because you still have this open space for like a photo, and then you still have the story. I used some lace here. This was like the end of a bed sheet, and I just put some index cards in here for notes. I used the kit from Dreams Etc. in here, coffee dyed paper, some wallpaper. I made some of those pockets too that are inspired by uh, rock paper treasures. There's another index card in here. I did some stamping as well and some stenciling. And this pattern paper and coffee dyed paper, avocado. In the middle of a signature, I made these file folders out of the pattern paper. I used Heaven Sent To. And then I put wallpaper pocket in the middle. And then these are some of the cut-offs that they can put throughout. I have different things on them. And I just tied the signature in a bow in the middle. And there's some altered little envelopes. Little fabric clusters. And the story goes in the order, so you can read the story. And this is a little altered paper bag. This is some of that wallpaper with a sticker. I did an embellishment on the pocket here and added one of these little cut-offs. There's a journaling card here. That's from the collection. And then another